Welcome back, designers. It's day 4 of our letter portrait series. Today, we will design the letter D. First, add a gradient fill from the adjustment layer panel. Choose colors for the background. I'm using this color, but you can choose your own. In the gradient fill panel, choose style to radial, angle 90 degree, and scale accordingly. Also, check on dither to smooth colors blending, and hit OK. Now pick the type tool and type the letter D. I am using the Neue font. You can find the font link in the description. Open the image. The image link is in the description. Unlock the background layer, then go to the Properties panel and choose Remove Background to remove the background like this. Right-click on the mask layer and choose Apply Layer Mask. Again, right-click and now choose Convert to Smart Object. Copy the image and paste it onto the main canvas. Decrease opacity and adjust it according to the letter D. Increase opacity and add a mask to the image layer. Right-click on the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Select the mask layer, make sure your foreground color is black, and paint the image like this. Inverse selection and follow the process. Now go to Blending option for the text layer. Add a stroke, use these settings. Inner shadow, like this. And even a drop shadow for a truly unique effect. Practice files. Download PSD, Neue font and sample image, links in description. Hope you're enjoying this letter series. Like, share, and follow for more, and hit the comments.